to ask tonight. Can you stop damaging policy making, ignoring policy making, sidelining policy making and people issues because of your politics? Who will blink first? Your guess is as good as mine. Let's say good evening to the panelists who are joining me on this conversation right now. Rohan Gupta, spokesperson for the Congress Party, joins me this evening. Sudesh Verma, spokesperson for the BJP. Mahesh Tapase, spokesperson for NCP. A. Saravanan, spokesperson for DMK. Manav Jaiswal, spokesperson for the Trinamool Congress, joins me this evening. Let me start off with Mr. Sudesh Verma. Mr. Verma, what's the way forward? How do we end this deadlock? 8 days gone, only 12 business hours of work.
Not ordering the probe into it. If they are so clear, if they are very, very clear, they should answer simple questions.
Okay, Sudesh, Sudesh Verma, I know you want to respond, but let me just bring in Manav Jaiswal as well, and then I'll come to you for a response. Yeah.
Well, hi, very good evening to everyone, and namaskar to the nation. I'm so appalled to hear all these, COVID ke liye baat hona chahiye, farm law, data. Mr. Verma does not know that this government does not have any data of the deaths. They don't have any data of how many people died, the laborers who went home. Who couldn't reach home. I'm very touched that he is so concerned about the joint family that lost at least one individual. Yes, it is true. Thanks to this government, which has got no data at all. This government, one side, they don't have the data, and the other side, they're doing data chori. Now, I'll tell you one more thing. About the farm law, we want it to be into the dustbin. Put into the dustbin. Because by the time the country was fighting off COVID, while we were shouting to have the vaccination for the country, you people were ready of the backdoor entry to get the farm law clear. Simultaneously, you are so concerned that COVID hai, so we cannot have a parliament session in the winter, but we will have elections. So that is how this government has been going one pole to the other. Thirdly, which I am very appalled to hear, that this BJP spokesperson is so beautifully articulating everything. You are so concerned about the COVID. Our Prime Minister came to Bengal when we had the huge second wave and people were dying and लाशों का अंबार बिछा था पूरे हिंदुस्तान में, and he was always flying all the way from Delhi to Bengal, and he was actually so concerned, or maybe so sorry, or maybe he had so much of anguish that people did not show up that many when they showed it to the MLA elections, then they are not showing it to the MP elections. So these were the things that the BJP has done. Now the time is for Pegasus. What is Pegasus? Why is the government telling that why did you have to hack people who are legislatures, who are parliamentarians, who are officers, who are deshbhaks, like the army men? Now you have done every jasusi because you have learned it from the British people. You always come from the back door. You don't have courage to face the battles. Come out, come in the public, go to the people, tell them, yes, I'm sorry that because of our mismanagement, we have lost so many people in the country.
Okay.
Come out in the public.
Yes,
All right. Yeah. I mean, I know, Manav, that you have specific issues to point out about the other aspects, whether it's COVID management or not, but it still deserves a conversation, whether it's today or tomorrow. The only simple fact here is that the parties, the opposition and the government are unable to come to an agreement on what issue to be addressed first. Yes, Sudesh Verma.
Manav,
I need
kindly
to
listen
one
to
more
me.
minute. Give me one more minute.
Oh, I'll come back to you. Manav, I'll come back to you. Let Sudesh Verma respond. Yes.
See, your concern about COVID was seen in Parliament. The way opposition parties have behaved, violating all COVID norms, the way you have behaved in Parliament, people of this country will
don't talk about COVID, sir.
please don't intervene. Don't intervene. I did not intervene. I could have stopped you. I did not stop you. Because I want to speak that courtesy.
Yeah. Manav. The rules of engagement on the urban debate are extremely clear to you by now, Manav Jaiswal. Let him finish his point. I will come back to you. Look at Saravanan and Mahesh are politely waiting for their turn to come as well. Let Sudesh Verma finish his point first. Please, just Sudesh Verma. Yeah.
And the way he has reeled out facts about government incapability to have a data on COVID, so it should give you more ammunition to fire at the government. Why you are firing on the channel of Mirror now? You can come to
how much you try and explain to us how important all of these issues are, because I don't disagree with you on that. But I do have a problem with all of you while away the entire monsoon session's time and don't have any conversation. Tell me today what is the solution to that. Tell me today what is the solution that you want to get to a conversation point.
There's a two sets. The first set is, as my friend who told, like from 2009 to 2014, how many times did the BJP had held the parliament to run. Actually, BJP was in the opposition. Even today, BJP is actually technically like an opposition. They don't want to run a parliament. They just want to run the government and use the fund which is being utilized for some parliament vista or for probably an aircraft or probably something for a suit in itself. I would like to understand what is the work of the legislatures or basically the cabinet ministers. Now you just stated there was a bill which took only 7 people, 7 participants. Now BJP is in majority. Okay, fine. The opposition is what? 200 odd people. Let them go. At least 300 people should have attended. No 300, 50%, 150 people would have attended because they don't want to run the parliament. They are still in the opposition mode. They don't want to run the parliament. They just want to win state by state, conquer state by state. Don't serve the country. Conquer, loot and plunder. That's what the British people used to do. They did not want to listen to the Indians. They only wanted to listen to the Guru, their Rajani. Now here we have a government who is actually a replica of the British Raj. They don't want to listen to the people of the country. They want to do Man Ki Baat, not listen, Man Ki Baat. Now you have a problem. The problem is this government. The problem is the arrogant government. The problem is the government still on an opposition mode. They know how to run away. They are a runaway. वो रणछोड़ बोलते तो उनको कृष्ण भगवान याद आएंगे. I would not call him because these people are not even close to the sanctity of sovereignty. They only one thing they know, only to loot and plunder. Loot the data, plunder the data, hack the phone, hack the data. Don't give any
Okay, but let me ask you a question. Let me ask you one question before I go to Rohan and bring him in on this conversation. Manav, if there are so many problems with what this government is doing, then why is the chief minister going and having a one-on-one meeting with him? If you are showing that much of courtesy to the sitting prime minister, having a conversation, sitting across the table with him, then why can't you just come to an agreement on how to go about these key issues inside the parliament as well?
What? I'll give you one. She's a Desh Bhaktini. She loves her country. She respects that post. It's a prime minister's post. It's a godly post.
And what about the MPs who tear off papers and throw him inside the house? They are anti-nationals.
I'll tell you that. You know what is anti-national? Is this hacking policy, Pegasus. This is anti-national. This government knows that this is an anti-national act and I would go to jail. Tell the person who has actually authorized Pegasus to be used for hacking these individuals. They are legislators. They have won the elections. They are officers. They are ornamental officers. They've got ornaments on their body. You're hacking them. What are you trying to do? And about tearing the thing, at least that statement, that's a landmark thing that Dr. Shantanu had done. He has shown the courage. Let the country know, let the world know that this is a government who has been looting your individual privacies. As I told you a long time back, privacy is a myth, and this government is proving again and again, because they cannot fight from the forefront.
Use your words to put across the message you want the country or the world to hear, not your theatrics. That's as simple as what it has to be. Now, 1 minute. Okay. Sudesh Verma responds, as I also said, good evening to Abhishek Jha of the JDU. Sudesh Verma, Abhishek Jha is joining the conversation to come to your rescue. So you are not the only one who has to defend against all political parties. But yeah, Sudesh, yeah.
You see, it's very amusing presentation by Trinamool Congress representative. You see, you can get applause of people at your presentation, but you won't get vote because you are not producing substance. You see, you must understand, Mr. Jaiswal. You must understand, Mr. Jaiswal. See, I'm telling you what you should do. You see, parliamentary forum for today. Do you know? Kindly listen to me again. Why you are so entertaining? Please listen to me. Why you are entertaining me? Listen to me. It's a serious news channel, man.
Yeah. Okay, one at a time, please. One at a time. Seriously, one at a time. Yeah. Sudesh. Manav, don't force me to intervene like this, please. Let Sudesh Verma speak.
Then the opposition parties are playing into the hand of anti. Same NSO statement.
You tell me.
That it
whether
cannot
The
be
government
used for
has
private
made it very clear whether or not they have Pegasus is one aspect.
You're not testing
The
another
government
aspect.
has made it very clear that they have not done any illegal snooping.
No,
Yeah.
We don't know about legal.
Forget
Yes,
about
yes.
Tanvi, illegal or legal. I am asking
Answer,
simple question whether you have purchased Pegasus spyware or
If
not.
they use Pegasus, it is illegal. If they use Pegasus, it is
Basic
illegal.
question.
It cannot be
Have
legal.
they purchased Pegasus or not?
Okay.
Tanvi.
Yeah. Okay. One by one. Yes. Manav first.
yeah.
Saravanan, I'm coming to you next. Manav first. Yes.
Yeah, but I need to add one thing. You know, your channel is amazing. I'm really grateful to you. At least we have someone from the BJP who's actually answering something on Pegasus. Whereas you could know that the parliament, there's no BJP people who will be answering Pegasus thing. The first
Or in the parliamentary panel meet.
I don't know what's
Or
going to
we should
happen.
send
They
this
would not come.
message to
They would
parliament.
run away. They would run away. I want to add one more thing. I need to add one more thing. As far as the Pegasus is concerned, the NSO has stated that Pegasus can only be used for the terrorists or the anti-country activities. Now, if this government who is owning it, definitely they own it now, because one of the IT ministers, ex-IT ministers, has been already being moved. 52 cards have been played, new ministries and all. Just to add times. This government is buying time. They will not answer. They will buy time. They will use some other tactics. They will try to save face, or probably there will be some another scapegoat which will be coming into play, because whoever has authorized it, he or she might be, definitely, has done a heinous crime. This government is a criminal government. Now, if Pegasus has been used for your hacking phone, for me hacking phone, or for anybody across whoever is in the parliamentary panel of Tanvi Shukla, as on today, the government has done a crime and they should be charged for that. Before that, going to court or going to any of the police stations, this government should come clean of the proper investigation. Bring in a committee. Go with the JPC.
Yeah.
Go to the Supreme Court panel. Ask the country, भाई
Okay.
हमसे गलती हो गई. हमने जासूसी कर ली. हमको नहीं करना चाहिए था. I would have won the election without doing जासूसी.
Okay, I also find it a little difficult to understand why, when all of you are so convinced that this was illegal snooping by the government, do you have faith that the government is going to carry out any kind of fair probe? But keep that aside. This is politics right now. Saravanan, you made an interesting point. 1 minute, please. 1 minute. You made an interesting point. You said if they're using Pegasus, it can't be legal.
Yes, Tanvi. See,